Hey y'all, it's your girl Nene back here with another video, and today I'm going to show you how I created this glitter wing liner. And I also want to thank you guys for getting me to 80 subscribers. I'm so happy. We got 20 more to go, and we at 100. So I want to thank you guys so much, and I want to thank everybody for rocking with me and not unsubscribing, even though I haven't been posting. But thank you guys so much, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Sorry, my voice is like, I don't know, it just left, and I'm waiting for Shawty to come back. I had a cold. I ain't got no corona. I'm okay. Test me, please. Okay, but I'm gonna go in with my Juvias Place palette. This is the Warriors 2 palette, and I went in with that burgundy shade, and I just applied that a little bit above my crease, and now I'm just blending out the edges. And I went into my Morphe 35B palette, and I took that bright violet color, and I just placed that right on top of it, and I'm just buffing that around. And then I went into my crayon case palette, and I took the shade red, and now I'm just applying that above those two shades to diffuse it and give it a nice a nice diffused look, making sure all shades are present. And I'm taking my Neutrogena wipes, and I just wipe that shadow so I can create my crease using P. Louise and shade 0. And I'm just using this small concealer brush to do so. Now I'm taking this buffing brush, and I'm just tapping the excess product on there. And now I'm going in with the first shade that we went in with in Juvias Place Warriors 2 palette. And I'm just blending the edges of my crease because it's a half crease. First shade I'm going in is like a white shade. It's just literally a plain white shade, and I'm just applying that in the beginning of my tear duct area. Now I'm going in with a yellow eyeshadow, and I'm just placing that right next to the white. And shortly after, I go in with some green. It's like a lime green shade. And all I'm doing is I'm just buffing those two shades in together. You guys, make sure you use a smaller brush. I just ran out of brushes, so that's why I use that big brush. But use a smaller brush to do that. And now I'm going in with this like forest green. I forgot what palette it came out of, but it's probably the Morphe James Charles palette. And I'm just blending those two shades. Now I'm going in with White Diamonds from J. LaRue Cosmetics. And it's a pigment, and I'm just placing that all over the shadow with this fluffy brush. Here's a close-up. This is how it looks. It's so cute. So I had to go off camera and do it, y'all, because yeah, it took a long time. Basically, you want to use like jet black liner and just create the wing, and then you place your glitter on top, and you use lash glue, or you use glitter glue, doesn't matter, and you just place the glitter on top. But I went in with New Caledonia and Macao. They're both from Nars as my foundation, and as my concealer I am going in with Deep in Tart and Tan Deep Sand in Tarte also. And now I'm going in with Laura Mercier to set my concealer. And as usual, I went in with black opal and ebony to contour. And my glitter came from Glowup Academy. I'm not sure what the name was, but this is from Glowup Academy. Now I'm going in with Black Radiance Contour palette. It's a powder, so I'm just tapping that right on top of the setting powder. But then I decided to apply my face powder all over my face, which is the MAC in Dark Deep. And now I'm going back with Black Radiance Contour palette. And I'm just setting the black opal and ebony. And now I am going in with blush. Dose of Colors and Morphe highlighters. Morphe's highlighter is called Spark, and Dose of Colors is called Royal Hotness. I'm just taking this Morphe brush to apply my highlighter. It's so cute. And now I'm taking my Morphe setting mist and I'm setting my skin. And I'm taking my face powder and I'm setting everything in. Now I'm going in with this lip pencil. It's like a violet. It's like, yeah, violet. And now I am going with NYX and Babydoll. It's a liquid lipstick. And I'm just applying that on my lip. And then I went in with Revlon's Supernatural in 215 to set that shade and gloss her up. And this completes the look, you guys. Thank you for watching, and thank you for 80 subscribers, you guys. Thank you for 80 subscribers. And I want to continue to put out more videos for you guys. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.